Welcome to our TYR Swimming Goggles product showcase on Amazon. Whether you're a professional swimmer or a casual enthusiast, finding the right pair of goggles is essential for an enjoyable and comfortable swimming experience. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 swimming goggles available on Amazon, highlighting their key features and benefits. From superior fit and durability to anti-fog lenses and wide field of vision, these goggles offer a range of options to suit every swimmer's needs. So let's dive in and explore the best of swimming goggles. Panoramic vision, leak-resistant, and comfortable fit. Comfortable fit, UV protection, and anti-fog lenses. Polarized lenses reduce glare, ideal for outdoor swimming. Wide field of vision, comfortable fit, and anti-fog lenses. Excellent fit and durability, ideal for competitive swimming.